CapSim Capstone 2024 to 2025 Winning Guide. Hello and welcome to the CapSim Capstone 2024 to 2025 Winning Guide. This video will walk you through the top 10 winning tips and a step-by-step strategy for rounds 1, 2, and 3, which are the most crucial to set you up for a top score, even a perfect 999 out of 1000. Let's dive right into round 1, R1, then round 2, R2, and round 3, R3, where strategic product development, pricing, and marketing decisions will give you a huge competitive edge. 1. Always start with the industry conditions report before touching anything. Download and study the industry conditions report. This report tells you everything about customer expectations in each segment. Low-end, traditional, high-end, performance, size. Each segment values different criteria, like performance, higher equals better, size, smaller equals better, MTBF, mean time before failure. The report also shows how these preferences shift every round. Pushpin tip: use the free Excel calculator under this video, or your own version, to forecast the ideal spots for every round. Don't rely on guesswork. 2. Use the Excel R&D forecasting tool, highly recommended. With this file, you can input segment trends from Table 1, performance and size changes per year, ideal spot shifts from Table 3, age and revision dates. White heavy check mark. It helps you decide how to move your product closer to the ideal spot each round. Light bulb: remember, customers buy what fits best, not just what's cheapest. 3. R&D decisions. Add new products in R1, R2, R3. Your success begins with strategic product development. Here's what we did. R1, created a new product in the low-end segment. R2, developed a new product in the traditional segment. R3, added a new product in the performance segment. Why? Because each new product allows you to better target customer preferences, increasing market share and letting you raise prices confidently. Bar chart example: in R3, the performance product should be positioned around performance 8.9/size 11.1, based on trend shifts and ideal spot forecasts. 4. Pricing strategy: don't join a price war. Too many teams slash prices. That's a mistake. Instead, price smartly. Look at your competitors. Focus on value plus position. Segment insights: traditional, 30% market share, set price $27 to $29. Our product had 20% share with a higher than average price. Low end, 38% price around $22 to $23.50. We sold 24% market share with premium pricing. High end, 11% slightly reduced price, e.g., 50 cents less next round. To stay ahead, performance/size. Price range $24 to $34. Set max price in R1, reduce slightly each round. Pushpin tip: don't race to the bottom. Best performing teams sell at strong margins and lead in stock price. 5. Promotion and sales budget: invest early, scale later. Here's the spending pattern that works. R1, R3, O traditional, $2,000 total, promo plus sales. O low end, $2,000. O high end, performance, size, $1,400 to $1,600 total. Or 4 plus, increase by $200 to $400 per round, especially for strong selling products. Direct hit: why early investment matters. It boosts awareness and accessibility, two key buying factors. 6. Production planning: match demand, manage inventory. Use the marketing sales forecast and last year's sales to guide decisions. Heavy checkmark formula: planned production equals sales forecast plus desired inventory, beginning inventory. Don't overproduce in R1, R3. Keep inventory 10-15% of forecast. Build capacity plus automation only when confident in product performance. Chart increasing by R4, R8, start investing in automation to reduce labor cost/unit. 7. HR module: train early, train smart in R1 or R2, enable recruiting and training. Recruiting spend: $3,000 to $5,000. Training hours: 40 to 60 hours. Results: higher productivity, lower labor costs/unit, higher employee morale. Training pays off starting in R3, R4 with reduced per unit labor cost. 8. Finance module. Avoid unnecessary debt in R1, R3. Use short-term debt if needed. Avoid issuing stock, dilutes EPS. Keep cash greater than $5 million to avoid emergency loans. Use financial forecast to check cash flow by R4, R6. Once profitable, consider paying off debt and issuing dividends or repurchasing stock. Bar chart. Watch these metrics: ROE, ROA, ROS, leverage. They directly affect your balanced scorecard score. 9. TQM investment. Start in R3, R4. TQM equals total quality management. It's optional in R1, R2, but important after that. Start in R3 or R4. Spend $1,000, $1, 500 per initiative. Pick 3 to 5 initiatives. O. Continuous process improvement, CPI. O. Benchmarking. O. Six Sigma training. O. Quality initiative training. O. Channel support systems. Light bulb benefits show up gradually but reduce material costs, labor costs, admin costs. 10. Long-term view. Sales, profit, and stock price soar by R4, R8. Let's summarize the long-term impact if you follow this strategy. Round revenue growth, profit margin, market share, stock price R1 flat / equal low, similar to peers $30 to $40, R2 slight growth, moderate plus 3 to 5%, $50 to $70, R3 clear lead, good margin plus 5 to 8%, $80 plus, R4, R8 accelerated high margin 20-30% plus $150 to $300 plus, top teams see stock price double or triple competitors by R6, R8. Final summary. 10 winning tips. Checklist 1. White heavy checkmark. Read industry conditions report. 2. White heavy checkmark. Use Excel forecast calculator. 3. White heavy checkmark. Add new products in R1, R2, R3, 4. White heavy checkmark. Smart pricing, not price wars. 5. White heavy checkmark. Promotion and sales budget, early and strategic. 6. White heavy checkmark. Accurate production planning. 7. White heavy checkmark. Train and recruit early, HR module. 8. White heavy checkmark. Sound financing, avoid panic loans. 9. White heavy checkmark. Start TQM in R3, R4. 10. White heavy checkmark. Think long-term, market share plus profit plus stock price. Need help? If you'd like to ask questions or get the free Excel template, please send an email to emailmgames2002@gmail.com or check out the full guide and support materials below this video. Free CapSim guide and free support for Round 1 and Round 2. Email to mbasim.ferris@gmail.com. New winning guide and tips equals https://capsimguide2021.blogspot.com. Closing. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps with discipline and good teamwork, your team will not only win the simulation but also learn critical strategy skills for real-world business. Loudspeaker. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on CapSim, CompXM, and other business simulations. Good luck, and see you in the next video.